G'day, this is a quick video about how to install Nix on Ubuntu. You can see actually it's just a single command, but I'll demonstrate it anyway. Okay, here I am sitting at my Nix OS machine. I'm going to SSH into a fresh Ubuntu. There it is. And we can see that this is 2404 LTS. And just for good measure, let's have a quick look at the kernel. And then let's run the install command. Here we go, takes a moment. Yes, 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 yes. Password. Okay, it says we can run this command here. I think we could also just exit the shell and come back in. Oh. There we go. Nix is running, it's installing stuff. Cool. We could, for example, now run anything that we've not got on this system already. So Nix shell -p iperf2, for example. And now iperf2 my version type. And of course now I can exit iperf2. It's gone. Yay. All right.